Amelia, I love this Lincoln Center location.
Andrew, I know. I wish I could find my buyer a condo not off Central Park West.
Or near Central Park West.
Yes, you get it. They're insisting on prime Central Park West with a Central Park West address.
In their price range? By George, I think I've got it.
Yes, you've seen it in People, TMZ, Extra, and more.
One of the finest pre-war condos on Central Park West. Number 25, with Lincoln Center, Juilliard, the New York City Ballet, the Metropolitan Opera, the New York Philharmonic, plus jazz and more.
Now's your opportunity to live like an international superstar in a special condo where the Schuberts and the Gershwins thrive. When you visit, don't miss the historical plaque just outside the entrance that adorns the Central Park West address. This condo is across from cherry blossoms, magnolia trees, and more. This is 25 Central Park West, the Century White Glove Condominium.
This combination home spans nearly 2,000 square feet in spectacular condition with walls of windows, a chef's kitchen, stunning bathrooms, and this gracious space awaits you and your guests.
2 living rooms with a stunning and social-inspired kitchen that's square-shaped with the inside to allow you to interact with all your guests wherever they choose.
Too bad you don't cook, Amelia. This is truly a stunning kitchen. Is that takeout? It features quartz counters with Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Miele appliances.
I just love the pretty custom lacquer cabinets.
There are 2.5 baths. This half bath has a high-end, fabulous, groovy, retro design.
Andrew, I love this tub. I want this tub.
Amelia, I think you want to buy this apartment just for that tub.
I do.
There are incredible crown moldings and brand new 10-inch oak flooring, which has been added throughout the home. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with an architecturally stunning standalone soaking tub, double steam shower, and a dressing area with custom built-ins too.
There's a separate breakfast nook right off the kitchen for morning coffee or tea, plus a larger dining area and the oversized living space. And we're not even mentioning the second living social area on the other side of the apartment. Originally a library, now used as a home office, guest space, and more. There's also a private washer-dryer.
And 3 exposures with incredible walls of glass windows. The Century Condo is a white glove, full-service, high-security condominium located on Central Park West with the sought-after on-site management office.
And coming soon in May, they're premiering a brand new amenity space for condo owners, featuring a fitness room so you can work out in your building, golf simulator, Pilates room, playroom, residence lounge, and a pet washing station too.
The Century Condo is located on Central Park West, right by Lincoln Center and Tavern on the Green.
Acres of park with trails and nature right out your door with the reservoir, boats, and more.
The shops at Columbus Circle featuring J. Crew, Hugo Boss, Stuart Weitzman, Swarovski, William Sonoma, and so much more.
This location has more international food and shopping than you could ever eat in a month. You could literally eat, shop, and watch at somewhere new every day.
There is just so much to experience in this neighborhood. So if you love theater and music and so much more,
with an abundance of culture right out your door,
give us a call or send us an email
to make a private appointment to view Residence 11AB
at 25 Central Park West.
I'm Amelia Gewurz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris
Stevens.